welcome to HueTrition Live. I'm Monica, your host. I'm the CEO and founder of HueTrition, and today we're going to be doing a comparison across a category that's one of my favorite, which is hummus. So hummus, as we all know, may have heard, it's a great snack, but not all hummus is created equal. Obviously, if you have the time and you have a Vitamix food processor, you could make your own hummus. But if you can't, there is a tool to actually, compare across the different offerings and look at it from a nutritional perspective, because they're not all created equal. And like I said, I think it's a great snack, but if I were to choose, I would use the HueApproved Scanner. So you can access this free web-based app on HueApproved.com/scanner. You'll see the link below, and this is how you can actually compare them apples to apples. What the scanner does, and I invite you to see some of the other videos on the HueApproved Scanner, which is it's kind of like it looks at the nutritionals, but it also, what it does, not only does it look at all the macronutrients, but also gives our take on closer to the source. So the fresher, the better, the lesser number of ingredients, the better. And so it's meant to help you to be a quick tool that you can quickly use and access anywhere you are, whether you're at the store, at home, wherever, to really check on the category or the product. So I am not going to take you through all of them. I'm not going to scan them, but I'm going to show you, like I said, you need to go to HueApproved.com/scanner. And what you will find there is you're going to see a page that looks like this. So it's going to give you the option, as you can see, either you can scan with the barcode, so you just put your phone over the barcode, or you could also type in the item. Some items may not show up on the actual scanning portion because they may not be part of that database, but either way, you can search both ways, and if the product is in the database, then it'll show up. And what you will get be really interesting. It will be all the combination, number of ingredients, the nutritionals, but also a rating on a scale of 1 to 7, so that you can quickly kind of like say, okay, is this a better product or not, or compare across brands. So for example, we took some of the items in the hummus category, and I can tell you there's, for example, the Wegmans brand, and there's different flavors. When we took it through the scanner, we got a rating of 3. Now, compared to the Sabra brand, the rating on the Sabra was a little different, and that was a 4. So if you don't believe me, you can actually do it yourself and take a few items and try the scanner. Then there's another item that I really like that I actually don't have here, but it's in one of the other videos, which is the Ithaca brand of hummus. And we also took it for a ride on the HueApproved Scanner, and the Ithaca brand actually fared very well with a rating of 5. So that's the way that you can actually use our free HueApproved Scanner to make choices across and compare different brands when you're trying to decide what to buy. So there you have it. Please, if you haven't tried it, go to HueApproved.com/scanner. You can access it for free, and you could also, by using it, enter for a contest, so a sweeps, where you can win merch and also win a free cooking class with one of our Hue chefs. So that's a pretty cool deal. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.